Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to the video class. Last class we have discussed exercise 10.1. In that first main, check whether the following are quadratic equation or not. And also I solved second main, represent the following situations in the form of quadratic equations. In that first problem I solved. Yes or no? In that first problem, area of the rectangular problem, left into brain, just you wrote whatever is there, taken values and solved. Take the next problem. Okay, second one, the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. We need to find the integers. Here they gave for consecutive positive clue. The product of only they gave consecutive numbers here not said. Just they gave the clue. Product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. You have to find here integers. Means what is the how you know in consecutive positive? In consecutive means continuous numbers. If 1, 2, 3 like that you are taking is I consider x value 1 means x plus 1, x plus 2 like that you are taking means x value 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 2 means 1, 2, 3 so on. These are consecutive numbers. Take one, take second one, second problem. What is there? Let two positive, here they said positive, that's why I am taking two positive consecutive integers. You understood now? Consecutive integers means continuous numbers. Here I am taking x and x plus 1 and consider here a variable x. You can take y, z, b, anything you can take. Here product how much there? Product how much given? 306. Here they saying the product of two consecutive positive integers is 306. Product means you should do multiply. Okay, that's why you have to take x into x plus 1 is equal to 306. Why madam here you need to take means here product asked in that question, that's why I have taken product. If adding or sum like that here asked me, you have to take the plus here, minus means you have to do the minus here. Okay, next step, you know already general method x into x square x into 1, x is equal to 306. X square plus x plus should be minus 306 is equal to 0. It is the quadratic equation. It is in the form of, what is the quadratic equation? It is in the form x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, write down this here. Just what easy is that just consecutive integers is very important. That's why I have taken here x and x plus 1. Okay, positive they said, that's why I am here like that taken. Next, third one. Here age calculation they are given. Third one, Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Here Rohan's mother age they are given. How much? 26 years. The product of their ages, product means you have to do there into 3 years from now. 3 years from now age how much is there? Total will be 30. Here 3 years from now will be 360 they are given. Means product of their age should be 360. We should like to find Rohan's present age. Here you have to find Rohan's present age. I will consider third one. First, Rohan age should be, I am taking x. Let I think you solved in 8th standard linear equation in the age calculation gave. Just glance that. Okay, let Rohan's present age, I will consider x. Here they are given years, you have to write here. I have taken Rohan's present age should be x. Next, age of Rohan 3 years from now they said. Yes or no? 3 years from now means how much? X plus 3 years. Back means you have to take the minus from now present means you have to take x plus 3. And present age of Rohan's mothers, then present age of Rohan's mother. Here what they said, present age of Rohan's mother be x plus 26, you have to take x plus 26 years. Next year they said 3 years from now, Rohan says x plus 3 means, here also take age of Rohan's mother. Age of Rohan's mother. Here again if you can take means again you should write, okay, what x plus 26 plus 3 should be x plus 29 years. Total you have to consider. Okay. Next, here they said total age. We have taken Rohan's mothers and Rohan's. Next, product of their ages. How much they are given? Product of their ages is equal to 360. Understood all of you? Here you have to find the Rohan's present age. That's why I have taken x. 3 years from now, that's why I am x plus 3. 3 years back means you have to consider x minus 3. From now they said, that's why you have to take x plus 3. Afterwards, present age of Rohan's mother. They are said present age, how much you have to consider x plus 26 years. 3 years from now means you have to add plus 3. 3 years back means you have to do the minus. X plus 26 plus 3, it will be x plus 29 years. Here again another clue, what they are given, product of their ages, how much they are given, 360. Next solve. These all ages we can take and solve. Here Rohan's age will be next downside you have to take x plus 3 and product they said, that's why I am doing here multiplication, and Rohan's mother is x plus 29. Here product of their ages, how much they given, 360. Now do the general calculation, x into x, x square, x into 29, 29x, x into 3, 3x. Okay, next 3 into x, 3x plus 29 into 3. How much 29 into 3? It should be 87 plus 87 is equal to 360. Okay, now solve x term, x square, 29 plus 3 should be 32x plus 87. I am taking is equal to 360 will be inside, minus 360 is equal to 0. X square plus 32x. Here see, 8 minus 360 you have to solve. 8 minus 360 it will be 273 is equal to 0. It is also in the form of, x square plus bx plus c. Last you should write this, very important. Okay. And next fourth one, a train travels a distance of 480 kilometer. Here how much train travels distance, here they given. You know already, speed formula, distance by time. Okay, if the speed had been 8 kilometer per hour less, then here less means you have to consider minus, more means you have to consider plus. Then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Here you have to find speed calculation. Here you know the formula, speed is equal to distance by time. You learn in physics. Speed formula, distance by time. Take down, let the uniform speed of, fourth one, let the uniform speed let the uniform speed of the train. How much they are given? We don't know. That's why I am considering x. Kilometer per hour. You can read this kilometer per hour. You know already formula. What is the formula? Speed is equal to distance traveled by time. Yes or no? It's very important. Keep in this box for this. Why? Because in this problem it's very important. Speed is equal to distance by time. Next head down. Time taken. Here time calculation here given. Time taken by the train to cover total 480 kilometers. Yes or no? That's what I am taking here. 480 distance. Yes or no? Distance how much? Here first I have to take distance should be 480. Time should be here you have to take x. Next, if the speed of the train, again what they given of the train 8 kilometer per hour less. Okay, here speed of the train, first what they are given 480 distance, here speed of the train they don't know is here given. Again they said speed of the train 8 kilometer per hour less. Okay, then the speed will be speed x minus 8 kilometer per hour. Why minus here? Here less is there, that's why there minus. If more is there means you have to take plus. Next, time taken, you just solve. Time taken to cover total distance. How much? To cover distance. Total how much distance they are given? 480 kilometer. Means total 480 divided by x minus 8. Now, here difference in the time. Next you have to take there is difference you have to do. Difference in time. What is the difference? 480 divided by x minus 8 is equal to, minus 480. Difference means minus here 480 by 8. Here is equal to, you should take 3. Why? Because here it would have to take a 3 hours more to cover the same distance. That's why here you have to take 3. Now general calculation, take a cross multiplication. 480 into x, 480 x minus 480 into x minus 8 whole divided by x into x minus 8 is equal to 3. Next solve. 480 x minus 480 into x minus into minus plus 480 into 80. 8 you have to multiply. 3840 you will get. Otherwise you do here 480 into 8. You will get the 3840 answer. Whole divided by, here's x into x square minus 8 into x, 8x is equal to 3. Again this can be seen. Plus 480 into x and here minus 480x cancelled. Remaining you should write 3840 is equal to, I will take this here 3 into x square minus 8x. Okay, next 3840 is equal to 3x square minus 8x. You consider to write here equation form 3x square minus 8x should be plus, should be minus 3840 is equal to 0. If you are writing this much only, it's also good. And also see here, we need first 3 is there. I have to cancel, that's way divide by 3. Again you have to write divide by 3. If you are doing divide means dividing by 3, you will get 3 into x square, 3a square, 3 8s are 24 you should take. I just wrote directly. So say if dividing is, if 8 is not divisible by 3, okay. 3 cancel, 3 1s are, 3 8s are 24 into x minus, you have to cancel how much you will get, see the answer. 3840 divided by 3. 3 1s are, 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are means 1 2 8 0. It's the simplest form. It is in the form of x square plus bx plus ca plus not instead of minus also it's the right. I think these three problems understood. Exercise 10.1 also completed. You just solve the example problems. Exercise 10.1 example problems solve in homework. Okay. I think 3 also understood.